Good evening, sir. My name is Aditya Hishopkar. I'm the final year student of
Hmm.
Mechanical Engineering, Maratha Mandal, and I am going to present my seminar on my internship, that is Abhishek Alloys Private Limited. So, Abhishek Alloy Private Limited is a medium-scale industry situated at a Mache Industrial Estate, Belgaum, and it was founded in 1981. And since its inception, the capacity of 200 tons per year of production has
Hmm.
increased to 300 tons per year, and it is in the area of 2.5 acres, which has four plants. And the products of this company are automobile, hydraulics, power generation, construction, and OEM. The employees working here are 20 to 49 employees. So moving forward, we'll see about the plant one, that is RC sand, resin coated sand manufacturing process. The resin coated sand manufacturing process includes the resin sand, which is the mixture of quartz sand and resin. So the raw material used here is silica sand and carbide sand. So the raw sand is mixed with the hardener, red oxide, and resin as as per shown here. There were two machines in which the capacity was 150 kgs and the second machine was of 120 kg. And the solutions which were mixed according to the capacity were are shown here. So the process temperature used here was 140 to 200 degrees Celsius. So what they were doing is they were mixing hardener with red oxide in this proportion first, and they were heating it for 2 minutes, and then they were adding resin. Then the cycle time was for 8 minutes, and the this was the machine used, the resin coated sand mixer machine. So the cycle time totally was 15 minutes. So moving forward, as the resin sand was being prepared, there were five types of testing machine used here. First one was AFS checking machine, peel back testing machine, HTS machine, gas evaluation machine, and transfer strength machine. So moving forward to plant two. Plant two was of molding. So there were two moldings. One was shell molding and other one was core. So shell molding is also known as the uh, mold casting, that uses the resin coated sand for to form the mold. So the process of shell molding is the fine silica sand uh, is shoot into the hot pattern. The pattern is usually made from the cast iron or and is heated to 230 to 315 degrees Celsius. The sand is allowed to sit on the pattern for the few minutes to allow the sand to partially cure. The pattern and the sand are then inverted so that the excess sand drops free of the pattern, leaving just the shell. The pattern and shell together are placed in an oven to finish curing the sand. So the hardened shell is then stripped from the pattern. Two or more shells are then combined by using clamps form the mold. The finished mold is then used immediately. So moving forward to the core. So the
Uh,
sir,
any example of cell molding and core molding have you seen in the that foundry?
yes sir. So
Uh,
the for shell molding, sir.
hmm,
So for shell molding, we were using gear housing, cylinder
hmm,
heads, and
hmm,
connecting rods.
hmm,
And in core molding, there were manifold air inlet, cover
hmm,
after cooling that are used
hmm.
in power generators, and the spring brackets which are
Hmm.
used in automobiles.
Total, how
Yes.
many
So then
products are
after,
there in that foundry?
sir,
Total, how many products?
totally there were around, yes sir, there were around 30 to 40 products which were coming
Hmm.
occasionally according to the customer requirement.
Okay. Okay, go ahead. Okay.
Yes sir. So after the core, uh, moving forward to the plant 3, which is foundry. So a foundry is a so in foundry they were producing metal casting. So metal cast. Um, so metal is a cast. Metal casting is making the molten metal into shapes by uh, pouring the molten metal into the mold and removing the mold material after the metal has solidified as it cools. So shell molding casting allows the use of both ferrous and non-ferrous metals. Most commonly used cast iron, carbon steel, alloy steel, stainless steel or aluminum alloys and copper alloys are used here. So here in the picture we can see the shell molding casting process. So the molten metal which is prepared molten metal or molten alloy which is prepared in the furnace is taken and poured into the mold. It may be shell molding or core molding.
What
Then
will be the
this,
temperature for this process? What will be the temperature?
yes sir. According to the preparation of the metal or the alloy, the temperature of the furnace may vary from 500 degrees Celsius to 1600 degrees Celsius.
Centigrade. Okay, go ahead.
Then the shell mold casting process consists of following steps, sir. The pattern creation, mold assembly, pouring, cooling, and then cast removal. Moving forward, sir, after the casting is done, the some cast metals or a coin from the cast metal is removed for testing, and these three machines are used for the testing. First one, the digital hardness testing machine, in which a probe is used to uh, give a load on the coin or the specimen. After the load is given from 750 kgs to 3 tons of loads, that the digital machine automatically shows the values in the screen, so we can test material on this. After that, the polishing machine, how much surface polish can be done on the on the specimen is established here. Then the spectroanalysis machine is used for the determination of the content present in the material,
Have
as
you
it may be a
checked the hardness? Have you checked in that factory or in this foundry? Have you checked the hardness of any material, any casting
uh,
product,
actually I have watched
or you
by
have
when
only
they were
seen that
testing
how they
the
check? Huh?
specimen. Yes, sir, I have seen,
How
and
they?
they were comparing the value with pH and hardness value, which was in
Hmm,
the table, sir.
hmm. Means you have only seen. You are not actually checked.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Uh,
So means
and in the
it was
polishing
not our
machine,
operator.
uh,
Yes, sir.
in the polishing machine, what are the different types of polish paper grade they used?
Yes, sir. So they were using sandpaper of various numbers, in which the
Hmm,
sandpaper grains were larger and smaller accordingly, sir.
hmm. Okay. Okay, go
Yes, sir.
ahead.
Yes, sir. After this, sir, after the casting is done and tested, uh, the 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 casting materials are then sent to the blasting machine. The short blasting machine makes use of the mechanical method of propelling abrasive using a centrifugal wheel to remove the layer or the surface of the material by which the impurities from the surface of the material or steel products are removed, sir. Sir, it is used for a
What they
surface
used in
protection.
the short blasting? What they use in short blasting?
So in short
That
blasting, sir,
small
they will use
ball of what material?
hardened steel balls. Yes, sir. They will be of hardened
Okay.
steel balls, and
Hmm.
it will shoot at a speed on the
On
specimen
that
so that the
material,
surface is
whatever
removed.
casting. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Go
And
ahead.
the other reason for this shoot blasting is that uh, welding and coloring can be done easily.
Hmm. Okay.
Then we'll move on to the plant number 4, which was machining. Machining is the process of which the piece of raw material is cut into
Hmm.
desired final shape or size. So here for machining, they were using CNC, VMC, and HMC machines. And
Hmm.
After the machining processes,
Have you learned any
okay, the
programming there?
machining
Have you learned any programming on the machine?
we were going through the G codes and M codes on the machine,
Hmm.
sir. So like G00 is
Hmm. Hmm.
orientation, G01 is cutting feed,
Hmm. Hmm.
then
Okay.
T01 or T02 is changing of tool. Yes, sir.
Okay.
So then
What type of
here
coolant they
processes,
use on the machine? Coolant. What type of coolant they use?
yes,
Have
sir.
you seen the coolant to cool the job and to cool the
Yes, sir.
tools?
I've seen, sir. Yes, sir. So means they were taking the coolant, raw coolant, and they were mixing it with some amount of water, and they
Hmm.
were using it for the machines.
What is the use of that coolant?
Sir, it will avoid overheating of the job, and it
Okay.
will give a smooth finishing.
Okay. Okay. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. Sir, then the processes used in this machining were uh, uh, turning, threading, chamfering, rimming. These were the processes used here. Then we can see the types of products used in machine. These are just few, for example. So rotor, cover after cooler, manifolds, spool, impeller. These were the kind of components they were making when we were there, sir. Then
Okay.
moving on, sir. These are some reputed customers companies which which give which they take
Hmm.
contracts from. Then moving on, sir.
Okay.
The knowledge gain, we gained a lot of knowledge from here, sir. Uh,
Hmm.
then we'll see about the technical knowledge. This internship helped in many multiple processes carried out in the department. So like we learned about sand coating, molding, casting, machining, and plus testing, sir. So then we also learned about how the industry works on the new projects as the customer requirement and fulfill their needs, sir. So we also acquired knowledge on various products manufactured on the and quality control in the industries. So then some of the
Okay.
non-technical knowledge which I have gained was time management. I gained a soft knowledge and knowledge I needed for the some professional to work in the professional environment. And most important was safety measures that I learned how to take safety
Hmm.
measures in the workplace. So, and one thing I saw that the coordination communication skills between the employees were
Hmm.
very good. And by this,
Amen.
I learned how to work in teams. So then
Okay.
uh, I come to the conclusion. It was a great learning experience for me doing internship at Abhishek Alloys. The staff and the organization were very cooperative and supportive by
Hmm.
providing a necessary information and guidance. I also learned in depth about the sand coating, molding, casting, machining, and testing from
Hmm.
the industry.
Hmm.
This visit helped me a lot to clear the concept, which will surely benefit me in the future. So I thank everyone, and I conclude my seminar.
Okay. O- Okay, Aditya, any defects you found in the foundry product? Whatever casting they get in that,
Uh,
any defects?
yeah, sir. While casting, sir, there were
Hmm.
some defects which we found, like gas porosity, shrinkage defects, mold
Yeah.
material defects,
Yeah.
pouring metal defects.
Yeah.
These were the defects I found
Hmm.
in this.
Okay. Okay, Aditya, you have chosen
Mm.
a very good company or industry
Yes, sir.
to work in that, because the foundry in Belgaum, there are so many foundries are there, and you have chosen a good place to work. In the foundry team, you have seen the teamwork, you have seen
Yes.
the different problems comes into the company, how the people they
Yes.
solve the problem, how the things will run into the company, how there are different types of measuring instruments are there, different types of furnace are there,
Yes.
what are the working condition you have seen. Are you interested to work in foundry
Yes.
or no? Are you
Yes, sir,
interested in
absolutely, sir.
work in
After
foundry
seeing
or
all these
no?
processes,
Because
I
the
am interested.
work environment in the foundry is very horrible. because of so many people are not
Yeah.
like to work into the foundry. So there is so many departments are there: inspection department, quality department, design
Yes,
department,
sir.
how to get the mold, how to get the different patterns, and all the different sections are there. Different problems come in that,
Yes,
different
sir.
defects are come, how to outcome all these defects are very, very important. So you have chosen a good uh, place to take an internship,
Thank you,
and
sir.
you have given a very good seminar, proper
Thank you, sir.
presentation you have done, and one by one slide you have explained very nicely all the
Thank you, sir.
slides. And uh, for your future, all the best for your future. And
Thank you very much.
you save the link and send it to me. Hmm? Okay,
Okay, sir.
all the best. Huh?
Okay. Thank you.
Ah,
Thank you very much,
okay,
sir.
bye. Bye.